Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-minute tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change settings in Midjourney. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your settings in Midjourney, first open up Discord and make sure that you're connected to the Midjourney server. Once you're inside, go ahead and select any bots and in the text box at the bottom, type in the / and settings and tap on the send button at the right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the settings panel appearing on the display. Here in this panel, you'll be able to see certain buttons that are highlighted in green. That means these settings are currently enabled or activated. To change any of the settings, simply click on the relevant button and you'll be able to change the setting as per your requirement. Here from the right hand corner, you can select the Midjourney versions by tapping on them. Simply select the settings you'd like to change with the tap of a button, and that is how you'll be able to change settings in Midjourney. All you need to do is to type in the command /settings and you'll be able to change settings right away. That is how it can be done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.